Welcome back everyone. I hope everyone had an amazing week. Today we're up the road in Jamboree and we're at the Barren Grounds Nature Reserve and we're going to go check out some bushwalks. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so these are the walking tracks around here. So we've got Herbar Ream Loop Walk, Illawarra Lookout, Loop Walk, Cook's Nose Lookout, Flying Fox Pass, and Kangaroo Ridge. Now some of them are a couple of hours and some of them are 7 to 8 hours, so yeah, decide which one you want to do and give it a crack. So we're going to go check out this Flying Fox Pass, and then there also is a lookout here, so we're going to come and check out that lookout in the end. Alright, let's do it. A good thing about this track is they do have toilets, and surprisingly they're very clean. Alright, so a few rules on this one. No dogs or pets, no bikes, no motorbikes, no camping, and absolutely no fires. What do we have here? It's like a bit of a, don't know what it is actually. Alright, let's go over this way. Got a picnic table. That's pretty epic. It's probably abandoned now, but I don't even know if it's in use, but it'd be pretty cool if it is. Rent it out and have a camp here. We've had a bit of rain this week, so the track might be a little muddy. So this walk is supposed to be relatively flat and easy, and a lot of bush. But so far what I've noticed is a heap of flowers are in bloom, so should be a good opportunity to take some awesome photos. It's a really hot day today, so if you do come on a hot day, even a cold day, make sure you bring plenty of water. Alright, we're coming up to a sign, so should give us some direction as to where we're heading. So this one says Griffiths Trail Loop Walk, car park's where we come from, so that was only 900 meters or a K down there. Flying Fox Pass, so 3.8 K's return, so that's where we want to go. And you got another sign here, so that's that Griffiths Trail Loop, so that takes you back to the car park. Viewing platform, we'll come back and look at that, but let's go check out this Flying Fox Pass. Being a fire trail, it seems like majority of this walk will be bush, so make sure you're prepared. You know, you got good shoes, a hat, sunscreen, a lot of water, that's really important, and maybe a screenshot of the map of where you're heading to, because if you do lose reception on your phone, you still want to be able to sort of figure out where you're going. One more thing that always will come in handy in these walks is a first aid kit, even if it's a basic one, because you never know what you might encounter. Also add to that list fly and mozzie repellent or insect repellent, as we're coming into these warmer months. It does get quite bad, and if you know Australia, you've grown up in Australia, you know how bad it can actually get. It's pretty awesome. They look like oysters. All right, another sign. So Cook's Nose is left and Flying Fox Pass is right. 2.9 K, so we're gonna head this way. Oh yeah, check out this little guy. Oh, we won't disturb him. He's probably just coming out on the rock and having a bit of a sunbake. So far this has been an easy walk, so will be great for all ages and all fitness levels. So here we go. When I said great for all ages, young family with a little one. This is such a peaceful walk. All you can hear is birds, insects, wind. It's awesome to clear the mind. Alright, I think we've made it. So there's something here. This is it. Flying Fox Pass. There's not much left here besides some cables and a flat sandstone surface. Okay, so this is what we walked past before. So basically what it was is just a cable car which transported timber from the bottom to the top. So yeah, not much of it left. You could possibly go for a hike down to the bottom, but yeah, there's not much of a track there, and I think it'd be quite dangerous. All right, so that wasn't a bad little walk. Took a little bit over 40 minutes, but quite easy. So if you want to get out in nature and just have a peaceful walk, nothing too exciting along the way, but just get out of the city, this one's great. I'm gonna head back now. We're gonna head to the car park and we're gonna go check out the lookout. Supposedly there's a lookout at the top there, which looks over the whole of Illawarra, so this should be epic. Okay, so we've made it to the car park and now we're gonna go check out this Illawarra lookout. It's only 1.8 k's return, so not too bad. Check out this. It's massive. This sun is hot. Now I was wearing a hat before, and I did say wear a hat and bring a hat, but my wife unfortunately didn't bring hers and she was burning, so I had to donate mine. And she is fair skinned, so it's only fair that I did do the right thing. And I don't really burn as much, so yeah. First sign on the way. So what does this one say? All right, we made it actually. Wasn't too far. Illawarra lookout, 100 meters left. So if you go straight, there's a viewing platform, stone bridge, and car park picnic area, which is behind us. All right, let's check out this lookout. It's not a bad little track. All right, here we go. We've made it. Oh, wow. The view is absolutely amazing. Oh, wow. Oh my God, we're so high. bad lookout. Overall, this wasn't a bad day. Not a bad little explore. There are many other tracks here. Depending on your fitness, you can give easy one a go or give one of the really hard ones a crack. Other than that, wasn't a bad day out. Awesome place to take photos of wildflowers, and yeah, it wasn't a bad day. I'm gonna call it a day and head back. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.